because I plan to like kind of. I'm seeing if I want to stay home for that long, but I brought my laptop and then I'm about to just connect my laptop to his setup and yeah.
Okay then.
I'm actually gonna start getting on. I want to say like earlier because I like how pre-market was today,
Man.
especially once we took the lows, IFEG, boom, wow.
Everybody's liking this pre-market.
Yeah, it's definitely slower, but I'm following. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep applying. I learned a lot too about my trading, and I gotta. Yeah, I'm about to go on mute real quick. I hit the bathroom, but I'm here.
CR is increasing. That's good. All right.
It's selling off right now. Damn.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Yeah, I jumped in that sell. Damn. 283. See if I can make up some of this. I wish I would have went in heavier. Eat up some of this negative I made last night. Right on top of a 4-hour FHG. Oh, I got stuffed out. I tried that tight.
Open here in 1 minute. So 1 minute for the right gap there. Bro, option contracts are crazy expensive. I wonder why. should have opened there, I think. Yeah.
Tap into that 4 hour.
Green on the tape there.
Tapping back into the 1 minute for value gap. Tapped it.
Green on the tape. It's one above it.
Yeah. Let's see. I got a 5 minute, a 15 minute, a 30 minute. What that was.
Red on the tape there. Let's just go for it. Oh,
Mm.
no way. Oh, I was about to say. She come in here and put this on my thing, bro. What is wrong with this girl? That makes sense. I don't have much choice anyway. I don't like the 5 minute. Like, yeah. It looks weak, but I just don't like the 5 minute. Looks very weak. For now. Yes, it's crashing a bit. Check the heat map. It's green on the heat map. Interesting. Right on the volume profile there. Crack. Crack below there. That's good. Still no setup for me. How many points is this? 61 points on this candle. That's good. Wow, that's a lot of points. It barely moved.
We're at the bottom of the 4 hour for value gap. We just broke it. Then we might be going to sell side at 144.
Nice.
Man, I didn't scalp this damn account almost out of negative. This is crazy. Remember I was down 1,300?
Yeah.
I'm only down 200.
Nice.
Yeah. I think I'm about to stop for a minute and just analyze now because my target was that 4 hour for value gap. We just broke out of it. My overall was at the sell side at 144.
Mm.
But I don't know if it's gonna shoot down there or pull up. I think we're gonna see a pull up.
Right on the tape. It's a massive candle. It's an 90 point candle. On a 46-point ATR. I'm gonna fair value up there. If it gets in there, I'll probably take so. Break the lows. Tapped in.
Order filled.
Up there. Almost tapped the low on ES. That looks strong. Off those lows. Try it down. Right on the tape as well. That should go. 5-minute gap there too. Should I go? It's not. It's like hesitating. And the volume, slight volume picking up in that area too.
Order filled.
I got that. Tapping the 5-minute. And volume. We're in value as well. It's a little low. Tap the 5-minute, reject it. What is this? Green, down, red. All right. I'm gonna run on the tape, but it looks doesn't even.
Just tap into a 1 minute for value now.
Order filled.
Got it there. Stop over the high at that candle. Suspecting a 5-minute, so I'll give it a shot. Doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. I just don't like this. It's not showing like momentum down. It's just like hesitating too much. It's supposed to crash. E15 in 3 minutes. Supposed to crash. Red on the tape. Wow. Look at that. Look at this red on the tape. If we can get it, that would be nice here. Oh, yeah. Like, it's just red on the tape, just pure red. I need a bigger crash than that, honestly. It's like I'm recovering. All that red on the tape. That'd be interesting. E15 coming up. You have news anytime soon? A 10. It's value. This area, man. Just the setup is so clean. I don't know. E15 coming up. Just waiting for that.
Go ahead.
Setup is just so clean. Look at that. E15 coming up. E5. It's point of control move lower. E15, E5. It's bullish. Look at the green on the tape after that. You can try to move lower too.
It's just showing it because I'm on my phone. That's it.
Order filled.
Step out of that. Because it's not showing any momentum lower. It just hasn't at all. I gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait.
We just tapped 254. I want to see it break it.
I'm trying to see where we're going to because I'm just seeing red on the tape, but there's value in this area. What is this? Blue and green. Blue and green. Blue. Blue for 2 minutes. Left the wick. That's interesting. Check the hourly fair value gap. Rejected. Value area is moving up. Point of control is moving higher. Yeah. Just green on the
1
tape.
minute for value gap up there.
You're just green on the tape there.
I just broke that 278 level. Let's see.
I've been a gap there. I'm watching that. But technically this is a buy now. Left the wick, hourly fair value gap, tapped it, rejected. We didn't take the lows on ES, or did we? No, not really. Whoa, that was red on the tape there. Holy moly. Red on tape, that's crazy. But that might be a 1 minute fair value gap we might tap into. Let's see how it respects it. A little bit of value in this area. I'm trying not to be biased here. Because technically I'm supposed to buy off that. But I'm a little hesitant. Because nothing is telling me to buy. Like, none of my confluences are telling me to buy. Other than technicals. Just wait for the short. See how it respects this. It's just right on the tape. They just don't like that. It's just red on the tape. Delta, that's what I'm looking for. Just red on the tape. Just buy it back up. Hit point of control, buys it back up. Like that price.
You got a 5-minute fair value gap above us?
Yep.
That's my take profit area. See if I can get out of red today. Guess not. I'll try to tight.
Screen right there. Man, the red on the tape is just it's too like you just can't ignore that. But I don't know why we aren't selling off. But then it just met with green. So curious as to how this is gonna play out today. Structure wasn't there, I suppose. Are we gonna recover? That's the question. See how we do at that 5-minute fair value gap. Either way, I wasn't supposed to buy that, so I mean, maybe. Or from point of control to point of control. It just doesn't look, but it doesn't look very bearish anymore. But let's see how we do at the 5-minute fair value. Ooh, red on the tape. We're switching red now. Let's see what we do when we tap that 5-minute fair value gap. That's interesting. We actually switched red. That's very interesting.
Oh, probably because news about to no, yeah, news about to come.
News at 10. That's good. Good call. Back to green, but we'll see. Yeah, the value started picking up and it's going higher. So they like that. It took it all the way higher, and now let's see if they still see value after news. We tapped that gap. No, we didn't. Yeah, it was kind of ridiculous to say this was going to keep going lower. At a point, 122.8 ATR. Not hourly, like, come on. We tapped that 5-minute in the new hour. Take the short at 10. That'd be nice. That's a good trade idea. Structure, only thing I don't like about it is maybe the structure. Structure looks a little bullish. Structure looks a little bullish. But like everything is pointing lower. Holy moly. We even fill the gap on the VIX. Let's see, man. For the top. 5. Value there too. So buyers disappeared. Ooh, point of control is starting to move. Tap that 5 minute. We tap the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
That's green on the tick. I can't sell that. I think I'm being biased. It's just right on the tape, though. I need a
On a
confirmation.
30-minute, it's showing sell. Like, if it don't pass above 297, it's still in sell territory for me on the 30 minutes.
Yeah, I gotta see how this responds here. You don't know how bad I want to take this sell.
Do a small position. If you're going your favorite, add in.
I can't.
If it's part of your setup.
That's a trap for me.
It's just at a break and retest of the upside. I'm trying to see if I'll hold it on the 1 minute. 281 was the break. Or 278 was a true break. So did 2.
Order filled.
That's a,
I got a 1 minute for value back up there.
on the tape.
All right, at that 30-minute break. 30-minute break. It's like inside the 1 minute for value gap.
We're picking up speed here. News candles are gonna be crazy. News candles about to go crazy. Yes.
Order filled.
So no. Yeah, Yes, bro. Yes, like, why do you keep talking? Like,
Yeah.
it's just green. Yeah, green with tape. Top 1 minute if everybody get up on it. Yeah, cool. What you got? That's just clean. Clean buyers there. Loud. Crazy, like, there's nothing is aligned. That's crazy. It's the first time that shit didn't work. Wish I should have schemed. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get that entry. Looks clean. Look 5. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Yeah, just point control is just moving higher. My limit price. Accepting price higher. It's a little blind. Technicals are saying short. Well, my fundamentals are saying short. It's like, what do you like? I've never seen all this shit align, like ever. It's a loser. So if I'm in a gap, I have to put it on. Oh, a 50-point move.
Yo, alright, I'm all set up and everything. But I've been watching the charts. Any trades yet?
Yeah, I was taking a short. I stopped out a couple times, trying to short this move higher, but I switched to long bias. I'm waiting for this 1 minute fair value gap to get tapped into, and then I'll take a long there. We'll break it high if it doesn't want to go without me. Yeah, value is picking up there, so that will get that tap. That's interesting.
I think I missed a trade today. My trade happened already while I was setting up. We tapped into a higher time frame PDRA, the 1 hour fair value gap. And then we took the inverse on that 935 candle. My stop loss would have been at the low. We would have targeted highs. It was looking clean. Yeah, so as of right now, I need some type of higher time frame PDRA. I don't know. Let's see if there's news. Okay. Euro forward.
Yeah, buy side at 360.
Yep, that is annoying. I really was. I mean, that hourly fair value gap was clean. Left the wick there. Just kept going higher. We didn't take the lows on ES. Structure was there. I mean, I can't even be mad, bro. All my fundamentals like were aligned. I can't even be mad. Like VIX bearish, QQQ gap to the downside. I mean, there was nothing I could have said. I couldn't even lean. I can't even go against it because if I did, I'd been mad. So, oh well, this is what it is.
Once we take this high, we'll be, yeah, we get like an inverse fair value gap between the candles. That
Holy shit, bro! That gap did not get filled, unfortunately. That's gonna be better system T, right? No. What type of bear system T is this? On ES. Am I tripping? Holy bear system T. Wow. That's a short. Got it. It's too strong. Accepted price higher so many times. Plus side, bear system T. Looks like we're going here. It's green.
Yes. Hold on. I think we're inside of a 30-minute fair value gap too, if I'm not mistaken. What the heck is going on? Yeah.
A very small 1 minute fair value up there. I don't know if I want to long that. Run the tape.
We got an inefficiency above us. Oh, 413. On the daily, it's like a gap in between the candles. And that's right, like at the midline of that 30.
Order filled.
I missed that 1 minute. Momentum. So new 15-minute candle as well. There's just some tea.
Order filled.
Nice.
You running that long?
Yeah.
Nice. I saw it at the little fair value gaps, but I think I missed this play. I'm kind of waiting now. Still waiting.
I want to see it tap that daily volume imbalance.
At the 1 minute there. Get back in on that.
You still in that pie?
Yeah.
What's your target?
Shit. 5. I mean, if we keep going, we got the gap there. At 500. But, 500. Then we got equal highs at 562. 562 looks like a clean target, but that's if we go up there. I don't know if we will.
Okay. I want to see if I tap into that imbalance. I'll probably take some off there.
A minute. Screen on the tape. Like the volume there. The value is still pretty. It's increasing in this area. Hopefully we get the break higher. Yes, it's still moving higher as well. Green on the tape. Heat map is green as well. Yes.
I see a whole 74.
For a break at a high, maybe. Second time in this area, bro. I think I might close it. It's just, I should have been one. Like, with all this momentum right here, it should have been one, honestly. Yeah,
Yeah,
like this
I
price
want to
makes
see it
sense.
stay above 368. That's like a break to the downside on a 30-second. Kind of consolidating.
It's an okay setup. After taking the high, tapping that fair value gap, I don't, like, it's not the best setup, like, because it could roll over and it's taking time, like, but I'm seeing the momentum. That's why I got into it. E15 coming up. And,
I mean, it's like we came all the way up here. I really want to see it tap that imbalance. Like, that's a daily imbalance. It's pretty strong. How many points is that away? It's only 40 points away.
I got room on a 15-minute candle. Hourly candles a bit overextended though. Coming down there, tapping deeper into that fair value gap. Respected it. To get the lift off to where the break of the high. That'd be nice. Well, yeah. So now we are completely in the value area. So this is point of control now. Everything is just this has to go like right now. If this doesn't go, we're cooked.
Not really.
At new 5, yeah. If it doesn't go here, then we're cooked because it needs to, like, if they accepted this price and they don't like it anymore, then it's gonna come lower. And if it comes lower, then it's probably gonna either consolidate or just go lower. But we need them to keep liking price and taking price higher. E5 as well. I'm waiting for it. It looked like on a break. Respecting that one. It looks clean. ES looks like it's moving too. ES don't like that. That is behind NQ. So look at
Need to break 375 and hold it.
yeah, it's gone. Look at that. It's gone. Yeah.
There we go. And I'm about to tap into that daily imbalance. You said yours is 6.
Great on the tape. That's
Oh,
good.
you up there?
We gotta go with that level though. Ooh, I don't like that. There's value right there. That means that, and we're coming lower. No, I can't just be a pop and drop.
It's gotta hold above
How
75.
we having value right there? That don't make no sense. We just hit that level. Either it's aggressive or it's aggressive or I mean it's buying right there. It should hold. Yeah.
That's what I want to see.
Should hold. Holy mother of shit.
Ew. I don't know.
Still around this area here. I don't like it. Gotta break that high.
I got myself at 372.
Yeah. Good stop. Right on the tape there. If they're liking it higher, then they gotta keep going, right? I don't see why not. Volume is increasing rapidly as prices going higher, so it should keep going higher. Right?
I think it's about to take off.
E15 coming up. ES do not like the fact that it's behind at all. Break it a high. Break it. No, not with speed. I need 15.
Come off up there.
Nice. Yeah, like E15 is about to go. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to call the trade.
Just tapped into a 30-second for value gap.
It's just taking time. Holy shit! Like,
Okay, I stopped up.
good trade.
Thank you.
E15 coming up.
I don't like it to drop in these 368.
Why is the point of control like doing that? So now we're accepting price higher, but now we're going lower. Fantastic. E15 coming up. There we go. E15. I gotta go. I'm not like hesitating at all for this. Starts doing bullshit. I gotta cut it. E15 gotta go. I mean, volume and volatility. We tapped that 1 minute too many times for my liking without displacing. I take the high there. Gotta move my stop up. Break of the high. Darn. But we are not discovering new price. We just like this price. Like, it's supposed to be.
Right now, what I see is consolidation, but like the accumulation.
Yeah,
And then I would want manipulation into the 15-minute.
No
You
way.
see that new fair value gap?
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I would like. I'm hoping it accumulates to keep going higher. That's why I'm holding this because it looks like it's accumulating, but it's not.
Yeah. If it goes higher, it goes higher.
Because we just been accepting price higher the entire. Look at that for the break. Right there for the break. Come on, look at that.
Yeah, I'm more speaking about like an entry.
Yeah, man, that has to break.
That's because I already missed the other entry.
Broke the high and there was a nasty projection at the top. It's red.
I need to get about 382.
Sellers right there too, smacking it lower. Smacking it lower. Do they still like the price higher? Let's see.
All right, we gotta close up at that 382.
They don't. Bro, I gotta go break even.
Come on.
It gotta go break even. Look at, and then there's look at the volume picking up to the up. Like we are not getting any type of price discovery.
There's no type of pullback. It's not. Yeah, since like 940, it's been straight up pretty much. 1 minute pullbacks, but I ain't answering off that. No cap.
I like this freaking trade, bro. Like the value, it's like the volume is so high up here, and we're not going higher. Like, okay, we get it. You like the price there, but can you give us some displacement higher? You don't want it higher. No one wants it higher. They just.
I see your vision. I do think it's going higher.
I don't think it is anymore.
We need that higher time frame PDR rate.
Fuck, man.
We already had one of those for this run up. You know, we tapped into a 1 hour inverse. Boom. Now, I don't think I'm gonna have another hour fair value. 1 hour fair value. Yeah, but we did form that 15-minute. I'll say if you have profit, that wouldn't hurt taking that and then just re-entering. With a better entry, since we're at the top, we've been accumulating. So the manipulation, or you could just hold through. But we'll have to see how it reacts to that 15. That's just the manipulation I'm looking for, but it won't be my entry until I get that confirmation on the 1 minute, like inverse.
It's just tapped into a 30-minute fair value gap. I mean, 30-second fair value gap.
You're spitting so much facts, Nate. Holy shit, bro. Like, why did it just reject like that? Oh my god. Just go, bro. I'm begging you. Like, if it could just go right here, I'll be 100% okay holding this trade. But just because we're at the top, it's starting to blow the shit out of me. That we're consolidating right here and we're not going higher. It's just no like urgency to go higher after that. This entry will be really beautiful though.
All right, give me a second, Mark.
Damn it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Right on the tape.
Tap back into that 30-second fair value.
Right on the tape. Like, I'm not going lower though. I don't know what to say about this, man. It's like we're accumulating to go higher, but then we might get a manipulation lower. If we do, I don't want to hold through that. There's no area for me to buy unless it goes all the way down. And if it does that, I'm just gonna have to leave. Like, holy shit, what am I gonna do? If it goes higher here, then that's gonna be a terrible close for me, I guess. But and look at that. Back in that 1 minute. What? Oh, I feel me. Yeah, I gotta stop down. It's all good. Makes sense. Like, it wasn't going higher.
The new 30-minute candle just tap buy side.
Hey, I'm waiting for that 15.
Oh, I see what you're saying, Nate. What's that? What's that at? 346. That's not even that far.
Yeah, it's not. Literally. It was just set to hold through it if you were in at the, yeah. But we'll have to also see how it reacts. It's not guaranteed, but it will give us better, yeah, if we get a higher. That's like our patience, yeah, especially now more than ever. Tapped into a 1 minute fair value gap.
I was already, yeah. On the tape there.
We have S&T.
Yeah, but bearish.
Yeah, I think we got bearish S&T as well. Hmm.
Uh, E5 coming up. E5.
if we did it inverse, I like that.
Now you want to go and break 382? Or are you going to hold it?
I'm still gonna not enter it just because I gotta fix my
What
whole
do you want to eat more?
diet timer.
A crazy market, bro. Comes and stops me. I mean, respects that one in the family. I'm gonna tell you, but,
Marley, it should reach the table. Well, sit on the table and plug it up. It should reach. No, where you were sitting at. Sit back where you are. It should reach if it's my long one. You got a nice break and retest on a 5-9. Shit, that goes in. 370.
I don't take it's crazy. Man, holding this will be a pain in the fucking ass.
Meanwhile, I'm holding it. That's so funny.
Oh,
My TP isn't far. It's the daily volume inefficiency.
if we tap that 15 minute, like they just calling, that would be a mother freaking trade, bro. For the break of the high, go to the volume imbalance. That would be a trade.
What do you look
Cause
for?
I mean, like we have point of control right here.
What kind of cereal are you looking for? Let me mute you real quick. Hold on. What's that? Which one?
That would be a mother freaking trade. Like 562 and all that. All this volume stacking up, all this accumulation. It's not even that far off. That's only 15 as well. Get a crash down. holding that 1 minute fair value gap. That's what I'm saying. But holy shit, I'm not. I'm like, how can anyone be confident in this? It's taking so much time. Point of control. We're literally at point of control. We're not moving. The value area is just buying. So it looks like maybe accumulation, but I don't want to be here for that. I want to be trading in this area. Bro, still
Yeah, I
accumulation.
think that's what this is. Just accumulation.
Where is this level at? Let me mark it up. Don't miss this entry. Enough of. Technically. See, ES is. See, the thing is, ES is running like breaking the highs. So that's more bearish than T. So I'm kind of concerned. Not for the shorts, but like whether or not I don't know. For the break, holy moly.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh, it finally broke out. Oh.
Perfect timing, right?
Hmm?
I said perfect timing.
No, stay above 382.
Low volume up there at those highs.
Well, it needs to go hit that inefficiency, and then they can do whatever they want to do. With an imbalance. They can do whatever they want to do. I don't care. Okay, it broke 383 and retested it. So pretty on the 1 minute. Check into a 30-second FBG. Come on, why won't you stay? Why need you to stay?
I got point of control. If it goes any lower than this, this will be. This might be the entry, Nate.
Wait, can you say that again?
I said if it goes any lower than this, then this might give us an entry here. So it took a high, low volume.
Oh yeah, we're still in accumulation, but I can't. Literally, like fundamentally, that 15-minute has to get tapped.
No, I'm saying that it might give us. It might go down there to that 15-minute. If it's
Oh yeah,
this area.
yeah.
I'm with you. I'm waiting for that.
Yeah, if it do, indeed. If it do, that's great. If it don't, no entry. No trade. But I expect we don't get a trade. It's still very early. Oh yeah, you work today or not?
Working, man.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm working.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Cause we in like that area and we're rejecting. Nice manipulation of the volume to the lows. 15-minute low. Like if they don't like it anymore, this place should not hold. And structurally, it looked like it wants to come down too. Let's see. I heard Apex didn't want to be a part of the committee that that committee of traders or whatever that shit is called.
They don't want to be part of what?
You know, Top Step was trying to create like a joint partnership with like all these prop firms where everyone's sharing data and you know regulating the space.
Nice.
Apex denied their invitation. I was like, damn.
Yeah. Because I remember there's this other platform where you can see payouts from every firm. That and Top Step and My Funded Futures, like all these groups you can see, but you can't see Apex on there.
Come on, break it, baby. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Apex is shady to me, bro. I can't lie to you.
I can't even lie, dude. Low-key is.
They're a little shady to me because it's like they like they denied. Like I mean, Apex is one of the OGs, and they denied partnering up with Top Step. To me, that sounds just shady. Like I don't know.
Like you trying to hide something, but that's the thing. Like, why did I start this? What's it called? Discord and Instagram is literally because if I want to be making six figures, I need to have some type of like platform community.
Facts.
Because that's how shady it is, especially with Apex. It will reject your payout.
Oh really? For no reason too.
But then if they have, yeah, for no reason, literally, it could be the smallest thing, but they'll use it to reject your payout. But then if you document your journey, it'll make them look bad. I'm not saying I'm there yet, but you know, everybody got to start somewhere.
New hour coming up. E5. We're gonna get the rejection. Like holy shit. I'm waiting for that 15-minute.
Mm-hmm. Imagine some person that's that 1 minute in first, they'd be sick. But even, we'll see.
I mean, like point of control is standing right there, and structurally, it looked like it was still going higher. I don't see it. I really feel like that's the play. That 15-minute that looked like the play, man. I don't see any other play.
Yeah.
Am I tripping? Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah. Uh-oh. What was that? Let me delete some stuff here. It's a 15 minute. See? Maybe might get the crack here. Ooh, red on the tape. If buyers can exhaust, no buying in this area anymore, come down. They said, oh, 15-minute
Oh,
fair
I'll
value
call
gap.
you right back. Okay.
They see the 15-minute fair value gap. They're like, so they see the 15-minute fair value gap, and they're like, wow, this is a great deal, and they buy it. Boom, take it to the highs. You can see that there's also buyers at that high too. It's just low volume, so hopefully we get the continuation. That has to be the play. If not, then I don't know what will. New hour coming up as well. New hour coming up? What? For the break of these highs? Come on.
Okay. I'm back.
Alright. Welcome back. Still respecting that 1 minute. I really want to see it break it. But right below it is the 15-minute fair value gap. Right before new hour. Look at that. Rejection right on the tape. Look at that. Alright. My limit is going to be around that area. Maybe here. It's low volume. Alright, 317 maybe. If it comes down. If it doesn't, so we didn't tap it yet. But if we 317, yeah, that's my entry. I don't want the tap because if we keep going right before the new hour and keep going lower, and hopefully it gives me that entry, that'll be nice. But we are just right outside of that gap, Phil. Wow. Wow.
We gotta see how this reacts. Right now it's looking bearish. We have a bearish S&T at the tops. Can't forget about that.
Okay, cool. Tap the 1 minute gap there too.
Yeah, we also just inversed that 10:17 a.m. candle. Like shorts, but because we're still on the higher time frames in our up trend, I'll wait for that 15-minute fair value gap. How we react. I ain't trying to just switch to play because I see this. It's not even a really good inverse, so
New hour.
it's cool.
We're gonna get the tap. We're right outside of it. Ooh, green on the tape there. Volume. Shit. That'd be crazy. Okay. The rejection. Ugh. That doesn't even look good on the 15. We gotta get the rejection into that 15-minute gap. going on right here is absolutely insane.
I literally see the manipulation. It's crazy.
Oh man. Oh. Just love this area. Love this area.
You got bullish SMT. What the fuck?
Do we? No, we don't.
Yeah, on the 1 minute. You see that 1037? If I had. What's good, Omar?
Mm.
What's good?
1 second, look choppy.
You know, my mic working out.
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Yeah, it's like, what's good, man?
What's
Are
good?
you in Germany? Oxford?
I'm in Clarksburg. I'm trading at my cousin's spot.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
What's
That's
that? How you doing, German?
cooling, bro. Thanks to God, can't complain. How about you?
Chilling?
Are you still at UMD?
Am I still where?
UMD?
Yeah. I supposed to work this week, but my done.
How's trading going?
It's going well, bro. Like before, like I was at like the last like half of the semester, bro. I was not like, bro. I feel like all my skills just like went over. I was just worried about like, but then like school ended and I like had some time to figure stuff. And right now I'm using Micros and I'm only going for certain plays.
Dang.
Because you know the plays, like you have to
Right on the
actually
tape,
have
though.
like
Serious, right on the tape.
to go for some points. I'm not doing 5 points, 10 points.
First management ain't in on those. I'm already it, bro.
5 minute.
Yeah.
I like that
I
break.
agree.
Oh,
69 and that retest of it.
for 31.
Yeah. Even one win every 2 days is you could eat. But yeah, I agree. Quality over quantity right now.
Yeah.
Indeed. Me too. Me too. I would share my screen. Let me see how I could do it. I'm about to do it though. Because it's on like different computers.
I'm watching this for a reason. Let me go.
No, it says I left my setup at Towson. Yeah, he got it set up here, so I got my laptop and then using his laptop in the setup. Yeah, he's gonna be trading with me too. He's really good, but he's good at gold. Yeah, it's good though. I'm trying to make money anyway, so he's gonna be trading with us too. I'm about to be here tomorrow with him. Me too. I was just telling my friend about that. But yeah, especially since I'm trying to pass accounts using like CPI method. But like I heard that from Dottie, like you could instantly pass with news. Some accounts might fail, but some accounts will pass. That's just the pastime. Yeah, literally. Mm. Currently, what we're waiting for is this is like this is accumulation. This is kind of distribution where or this is accumulation. This is a manipulation. We wanted to come to the 15-minute breakout gap. It did not come exactly, so I didn't take an entry. Um, that's cool. I'm waiting, bro. Here. My this is. You said what? I'm not even sure. I do that. I do that because I use two accounts. If you have another account, you could do that probably. At the same time, like you could watch the stream. We don't really. Give me 1 second. But yeah. Um, so what I said was we've been accumulating. I would say starting from like 1020.
Yeah.
Like, do you see the chart where? Let me highlight it.
You talking to me? Or you talking to
this? You see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this to me, I could even say this almost, but yeah. So this has been accumulation, not trading that, and then I'm waiting for distribution into a higher time frame PDRA, which is this 15-minute fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
We would have got our entry if we tapped into it, but since I'm sticking to my rules, we got close. We did not tap into it. Did go up. No FOMO. We core. Yeah, but this is I needed manipulation to this, and then I wanted to get this as my target.
All right.
But let me show you the real move. I missed it because I wasn't trading. So you see eight. Let's say
This is yesterday or today?
yeah, this is today. Where do I-
Take there. This is the worst worst chop I've ever seen. It's 11. I'm chopping since
Yeah,
10, basically 10 a.m.
Oh, Tuesday. Technically, it's like Monday.
this is bad chop. I can't lie. But Omar, you see before open, right? We had this unmitigated 1 hour fair value gap right here, or on a let me try it out more clearly actually by hiding my own.
I think your screen is stuck in on there. It was frozen for like a minute.
Yeah, I think it's Wi-Fi. I'm gonna have to get my PC back, but this was a like I was really plotting on this, but high time frame PDRA, 1 hour fair value gap.
So no, I gotta go.
RE, I'm gonna catch you though.
Alright, man.
This is Job City.
Bro, I hate working, man. It's just the most annoying feeling ever.
Yeah. Consolidation area.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Yep.
I know I'm still in this buy. It's stressing me out.
You're still in the buy.
Yeah, I wanted to go to that daily imbalance.
Yeah.
That big imbalance. I ain't saying the name. I'm giving you that answer. I thought it was going earlier, but it came back down.
What a ballsy hold. I mean, wow.
Mhm. That I am, little one.
And they just like this area. I don't think we're gonna get any moves higher or even lower because they just like this area.
It's interesting. You say thank you. Shit, I think I'm tell you. How did your trading day go?
Not good. Took took a couple losses. I think I was just I think I was just I think I was just biased or something. I really wasn't trying to be, but it just I didn't see that hourly fair value got bullied. Like we really chopped it and we went. And the structure wasn't there either. Like for it to go lower, the structure wasn't there. Let's be real. Like it was not there. Short on the left side of a move, so down like 1,000, which is fine, but it's not crazy. It's what it is. If we can tap that 15, that'll be the entry of the year. So I'll be holding that to the gap.
You're breaking up a little bit.
I said we're not even moving on. The 1 minute just looks like low volume, by the way. It's just like whenever I said 1 minute, the 1 second. It's just no like it's even chopping on the 1 second. So I just know that we're just not gonna get anything unless something changes. But right now it's just been chopping really badly on the 1 second. So bad. No more news for today. That's unfortunate.
Yeah, it's no more news. There's always tomorrow. How do you feel?
Fine. Just gotta do better.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just finally give me that break of 383. I don't know if it's gonna hold. I really want to see it go to 416 area.
Wow.
Like we didn't came all the way to the way like it's a daily volume and efficiency there that it should tap into.
I wanted to tap there too, but I literally can't. Like I would have to put my stop like in some crazy area, and I can't. Which understand I don't know.
I mean, if you want it tight, it can be at 347. I don't know how. What's that?
Yeah, I mean, but then there's a 15-minute fair value up under there, and it like I kind of wanted to tap that, but if it doesn't, then I'll be sick.
My ALMA is starting to curl upwards on a 5 minute. It was just flat for a little bit. It's starting to go right, which is an indication of buys. Like move to the upside. But it's a 5 minute, so it's a little slower. But it is starting to curl up. I'll show you. Tomorrow. I used to start going to bed earlier. I feel tired, and I just got up.